just opening up to the world and sharing my true, authentic walk with God. And I'm excited to show you my life.
Well, today is the day. It's finally here. I'm walking the red carpet at the Imagine Theater in Royal Oak, Michigan. This has been a labor of love, and I'm very excited to show my actual true life story on the big screen, taking creative thoughts and ideas to the movie theater at the Imagine Theater. I'm looking forward to everybody who comes in attendance. We're going to have a great time. We're going to have a question and answer period. We're going to start off in prayer, and anybody who needs any kind of healing or any kind of miracle, that's when it takes place as well. It's going to be a great experience watching the movie in the presence of God. Hope to see you at the movies.
And just here because Lois is a wonderful friend of mine, a good friend, and her prayers have got me through some tough times, and I just am glad to be here.
Hello, everybody. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I'm so excited to be on location today. I'm Kim McDade, host of Classic Gospel. You can see me every Sunday at 3 p.m. on WHPR 88.1 FM. And I'm so excited. We're here at the Imagine Theater located at 200 North Main Street in Royal Oak for the premiere of Walking with God, produced and written by my sister friend, Sister Lois Banks. So I'm so excited. Congratulations, Sister Banks, on a job well done.
Hi, I'm Candace. I am a star in the new upcoming movie, Walking with God. I'm one of the head stars. I play the role of my mother, 20-year-old mother, Lois. It was a very good experience with this movie. My first time ever acting, so, I was a little nervous. But I'm good. I think you really enjoy the movie. It's very inspirational. Everything that happens in this movie is absolutely true. There's nothing exaggerated, nothing made up. My mother walked a and is continuing to walk a very close walk with God. So I think you guys would like the movie a lot. So have faith.
My name is Darnell Obawani, local real estate agent. I'm here because I want to learn more about walking with God. I'm a friend of Lois Banks. She sent me the invite. I said I'll come, so I know I had to stand by my word.
Hello, my name is April Boyce, and I am here today to support my co-worker Lois in her new movie, Walk with God. And I am very excited about what God is doing in her life. I thank God for her, and I'm looking forward to a great time. So I'm glad to be here.
I'm Michael Stewart. I'm Lois Banks' son, her youngest son. I'm here today to show support and, pretty much give her roses. For her day. Give her roses for the day. And so I'm proud of my mom. She done accomplished a lot, and I'm here to support her movie today.
Hi, I'm Kathy Keegan. I'm a friend of Lois's. We work together. I'm here to support her. I think this is wonderful, and I'm just so happy for her.